The Snowstorm, written by Kathleen Burt, illustrated by John Kastner. Focus question: what do Jamal and Aisha think about snow? How can you tell? It is getting cold outside. The wind is blowing. There is a nip in the air. Jamal and Aisha run into the house. They get their coats. They come back outside. White flakes begin to fall. Jamal and Aisha open their mouths. They catch snow on their tongues. The snow begins to fall fast. It falls faster and faster. The snow gets deep. It gets deeper and deeper. The wind blows harder. It gets colder and colder. Jamal and Aisha go into the house. It feels good to be warm.